Hello. So I am wanting to have you guys do a lab experiment at home. And what that will require is some lab supplies that are disposable. Like, I don't need them back. It's just something that you're going to need to be able to conduct this experiment. You may have these things at home, you may not. But what I specifically would like to do is provide you with some basic materials. Not very much, it's just two or three things um, that you probably will not have at home. Like, things that you'll need for this lab assessment would be like tape, things like that. I think most people have things like that. But one thing that I do want to do is provide you with some pool noodles and some marbles if everything goes according to plan, which is fingers crossed. Um, and I did this with my Kim 2 class, and it worked out pretty well. And so I'm going to try to do it in physics as well. And here's what I'm going to have us do, if it's okay with you. I'm going to ask for you guys to, on the Google form, include your address, your current address, so that I can drop the materials off. And to minimize the amount of physical contact that we have, I will just drop it off in a obvious place, and I will send you an email when I do that. The Like, when I dropped it off for the Kim 2 kids, I put it like on their porch or whatever. And so I would like to drop some things off at your house over the weekend, and then Monday or Tuesday is when we're going to start the actual lab assessment, which should be a lot of fun. So please just respond to the form. If you do this assignment late, that's okay. Respond to me. Maybe if you don't do this assignment on Thursday or Friday, and maybe you do it over the weekend, if you do that, send me an email directly. That way I know that you have seen it and that you would like to participate in the lab assessment, because the lab assessment is the main thing that will increase your score. We've done all this stuff and it's going to increase your score, as many of you have seen, like several percentages, 2, 3, 4, 5% maybe. But this could increase your score dramatically if you do well on this, especially if you have not done very well in the assessments and all of a sudden you're getting 100%, 100%, 100%, 100% on these lab assessments. That would be a really, really good thing to do. So that being said, I implore you, please, on the Google form, tell me what your address is so that I can drop these materials off to you.